What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're retaking a deep dive into an app that has completely changed the way I take photos on my iPhone, Halide Mark II. Now, you might be thinking, the built-in camera app is fine. Why would I need another one? And trust me, I used to think the same thing. But after spending a few months with Halide, I can tell you it unlocks a level of control and quality that the stock app just can't match. It's like turning your iPhone into a professional-grade DSLR, but it still fits in your pocket. So, if you're serious about your mobile photography, or even just a little bit curious about what your phone is truly capable of, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Halide? It's a premium camera app for iPhone, designed from the ground up by photographers, for photographers. The first thing you'll notice when you open it is the interface. It's clean, it's minimalist, but it's packed with power. Unlike the native camera app, which hides most of its settings, Halide puts professional controls right at your fingertips. You get full manual control over things like ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and manual focus. If you've ever used a real camera, these terms will be very familiar. If not, don't worry. Halide makes it incredibly easy to learn and experiment. One of the standout features is the gesture-based control system. A simple swipe up or down on the screen adjusts your exposure compensation, making it super quick to brighten or darken your shot. Swiping left or right lets you switch between automatic and manual focus. This intuitive design means you spend less time fumbling through menus and more time composing the perfect shot. It just feels natural, and after a little bit of practice, you'll be making adjustments without even thinking about it. This speed is crucial for capturing those fleeting moments that you might otherwise miss. Now, let's talk about manual focus, because this is a game changer. Halide's manual focus is just brilliant. As you adjust the focus dial, the app uses a feature called focus peaking. What this does is highlight the sharpest parts of your image in a bright color like green or red, so you can see with absolute certainty what is perfectly in focus. This is incredibly useful for macro photography, where getting that tiny detail sharp is everything, or for portraits, ensuring the eyes are perfectly crisp. It's a pro-level feature that gives you incredible precision, and once you use it, it's hard to go back. Another huge reason to use Halide is its RAW capabilities. Your iPhone can shoot in RAW, but Halide takes it to the next level with something they call PRT. This format combines the massive amount of image data from a traditional RAW file with the computational photography magic that Apple is known for, like Deep Fusion and Smart HDR. The result is a file with incredible dynamic range and detail, giving you maximum flexibility when you go to edit your photos. You can recover details from the brightest highlights and the darkest shadows that would be completely lost in a standard JPEG. If you love editing your photos in apps like Lightroom or Snapseed, shooting in ProRAID is non-negotiable. Let's look at a few examples. Here's a photo I took with the standard iPhone camera. It's a good shot, perfectly fine for social media. Now, here's the same scene, shot with halide in ProRes W and then edited. Look at the difference in the sky. In the halide shot, I was able to pull back all that beautiful color and cloud detail that was completely blown out in the original. Look at the shadows on the buildings. So much more information is retained. This is the power of ProRes W. It gives you the raw material to truly craft your image and bring your artistic vision to life. Instead of just accepting what the phone's automatic processing gives you. But halide isn't just for super technical pro photographers. It has some amazing features for everyday users too. One of my favorites is Instant RAW. With this turned on, you can shoot a RAW file, and halide will instantly develop it for you using its own intelligent processing. It gives you a much better looking JPEG than the stock app, with more natural colors and better detail, all with a single tap of the shutter. It's a best of both worlds, the simplicity of point and shoot with the quality of a RAW workflow. So even if you never want to touch a manual setting, you can still get visibly better photos just by using halide as your main camera app. Let's also talk about the macro mode. While newer iPhones have a dedicated macro mode, halide's version is fantastic and works on older models too. It lets you get incredibly close to your subjects, revealing a world of tiny details you'd never normally see. The manual focus with focus peaking is especially valuable here. You can precisely select which part of that flower petal or insect wing you want to be lit. It's so much fun to play with and opens up a whole new genre of photography you can explore right from your phone. I've spent hours just walking around my backyard finding tiny things to photograph, and the results are always stunning. Another thoughtful feature is the built-in histogram. That little graph you see at the top of the screen is a live histogram, which shows you the tonal range of your scene. It helps you avoid clipping your highlights, which is when they become pure white with no detail, or crushing your blacks, where they become pure black. By keeping an eye on the histogram, you can adjust your exposure to ensure you're capturing the maximum amount of information in your shot. It's another one of those pro tools that, once you learn how to read it, will fundamentally improve your photography. Halide even has a color histogram for analyzing color channels separately. So, what are the downsides? Well, the main one is that Halide Mark II is a paid app. It's available either as a one-time purchase or through a subscription. Now, I know a lot of people are hesitant to pay for apps, especially when a free alternative is already on your phone. But here's how I see it. If you spent hundreds or even over $1,000 on your iPhone, which has one of the best camera systems on the market, doesn't it make sense to spend a little bit more to unlock its full potential? For me, the quality improvement and creative control are absolutely worth the price. It's an investment in your photography. In conclusion, is Halide Mark II for everyone? Maybe not. If you're perfectly happy with the pictures your iPhone takes automatically and you never edit them, then the stock camera app is probably all you need. But if you have any desire to be more creative, to have more control, and to squeeze every last drop of quality out of your phone's camera, then Halid is an absolute must. It bridges the gap between a smartphone camera and a dedicated professional camera in a way that no other app does. It's powerful for pros, but it's also intuitive enough for beginners to grow with. It has genuinely made me a better mobile photographer. I highly recommend you give it a try. They often have a free trial period, so you can test it out for yourself and see the difference. I'm pretty confident that once you experience the control and see the results, you'll be hooked, just like I was. What do you think? Do you use Halid or another third-party camera app? Let me know your thoughts and your favorite features down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on mobile photography and tech. It really helps the channel out. Until next time, keep shooting and stay creative. Bye.